talk to you about Black Diamond Coatings. We're here with David Warren, president of Black Diamond Coatings, and our friends here at Flagstone in Tampa, Florida. And let's talk a little bit about the features and benefits of the SG Plus from Black Diamond Coatings.
Well, Fred, this is our SG Plus. It's low VOC, which means it contains a small amount of the harmful chemicals that a lot of states have outlawed. So we're available to be shipped through all 50 states. And one of the other benefits to our sealer is you can apply it over damp surfaces. So if you're in an area where you've got some moisture on your paver, it's not going to hurt the sealer a bit. You can go right over it and keep going.
So if I get a little bit of rain or the sprinklers get on there, I shouldn't worry about that?
Absolutely not.
Now, should I wait a little while before I walk on this? What's a good cure time that you recommend?
Generally 24 hours before you walk on it and 48 hours before you drive a car on it.
That's good stuff. Well, let's go ahead and get into it and let's see how this works. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and start spraying. Get the coating on. You'll notice it's white. David, is that normal?
It is. It helps you really see where you're coating. Basically what you want to do is you want to coat the surface just enough to get the surface fully white. That enables you to get the sealer really down in the sand, so it's going to stabilize the joints as well.
It helps you see where you're spraying.
It does. It makes sure you get a nice even coat.
Now I see that's kind of a wavy top on that. Is puddling a problem on that kind of surface?
Yes, it is. These pavers tend to puddle. Like here, I just puddled that, and some of these larger ones here are puddling. So you want to make sure you smooth that out with the roller. You don't want that product to stay in those.
Just quick little back roll.
Correct. That's all it's going to take.
And that's it.
That's it. It's as easy as that.
Now, you know, what if I want to go and start this job in the morning and pressure wash it and spray it later? Is that okay?
Absolutely. You can do this all in one day. If you're a homeowner, you can get on with your day. If you're a contractor, you can get on to the next job and get multiple jobs done in a day.
Okay, we've got our SG Plus on top of the pavers. It's drying really nice. The colors are coming through great. We're going to let that dry about half an hour, and then we're going to come back and take a look at the finish. All right, David, that looks great. Now, I noticed that you're going in a different direction than what you put the first coat on, because the second coat is you're going across it. Is that right?
That's correct. It's just an aid to help you avoid any streaking on your second coat.
Is it going to take a little longer to dry for that second coat too?
It will, yes, because it's not really absorbing into the paver. You're just putting a top coat back on.
Okay, so you notice here on this job site that we've sprayed our second coat on and we have some white edges. We have a great example to show you after our second coat that you'll see the difference in exposure on the job site. We've got some areas that dried really quick, and some of them in the shade are taking a little longer to dry, and that's just where it hasn't dried all the way yet because of the shade. So that's normal. It's just part of the process of the curing time, and it may take a little longer for the shade than the area you've got out there in the sun. Okay, we've got our second coat on our pavers, and man, they look great. You know, they're shiny, they're sealed, they're protected. What a difference. And, you know, the colors that we started with weren't anywhere near as vibrant as what I'm seeing right now. And thanks so much to David here for getting this done for us today. And, you know, he made it look easy, but it actually is easy. And also thanks to our hosts, Flagstone Pavers here in Tampa, Florida. And visit us please on our website, blackdiamondcoatings.com, for more information. And we'll see you next time.